Okay, we were discussing about the scanner section, scanner phase of the compilers. So, so where we have started discussing about regular expressions, a few examples we have taken up, and we have seen the similar representation with respect to DFA, how it would be represented in DFA form. And we were discussing the operations which we could do on regular expressions. So like union, uh, then concatenation, then closure operations, finite closure, positive closure, star closure, that is link closure. And then we have discussed with respect to complement operator. So complement operator, which is negation kind of thing. Other than the character which has been mentioned, other than that, rest all would be accepted. Okay. So coming to the precedence point of view, we would parenthesis to be as the higher precedence complement. Then comes the other operation.
Madam, hello. Hello. Hello.
Shriba, your voice is breaking in between.
Sorry, students, I got. Let me change my network. Sorry, it's getting fluctuated. Sorry for this. So complement operation was the one which we were discussing. Then after that, if you have any escape sequence to be mentioned, then we can go with the similar representation what we had discussed in C programming and all. So /n for new line, /t for tab. And if you have any quotations to be mentioned, we can mention it as such. So we were discussing, we just stopped discussing with respect to if you want to accept any string. So whenever we say a string, which is nothing but we would have mentioned within the double quotes. So starting from the double quotes, it will end with a double quote. So other than this closing double quote, rest all should be accepted. So keeping that in mind, we had used this complement operator for representing. So when we are writing the regular expression, we would have written something like starting with opening double quote, then other than, that is other than this closing double quote, rest all should be accepted. So that's the point. So it is not of closing double quote, and any number of characters could have occurred. So we have mentioned it to be a star closure. Okay. So whenever it encounters this closing double quote, it will stop accepting the characters and it will come out of it. So at the end, you will be having the closing double quotes itself. So this is how the regular expression would have been written for accepting a string. So similar for this, if you want to ignore this enter key also, with when you are accepting a string that is within double quotes, if you want to ignore the enter key, then you can even mention it. The second one what we have mentioned is other than the closing double quotes or enter key. So other than these two characters, rest all should be accepted. So that's why the string would have been started with the opening double quotes, not of closing double quotes or enter key. That is, enter key is nothing but it is represented to be as a new line. So /n. Other than this, and it should be, it could occur multiple times. So star closure. And at the end, the string would have been ended with a double quote. So keeping this, can you write the regular expression for accepting single line comment? Can you write a regular expression to accept a single line comment? That too, especially for so single line comment in the sense, if you take for C programming, it would be // we would have written something like this, // we would have written some comment, some comment would have been written. So this is considered to be as a single line comment for C programming. For some other programming languages,
Ma'am, we'll accept everything until we encounter a /n.
we will accept everything until we'll encounter the /n. So how do you write the regular expression?
Ma'am, within the double quotes for
are we going to have the single line comments within double quotes?
No,
no,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Double slash.
No, we will not
The
have within
regular
double quotes.
expression we will be giving, no, ma'am. That
There is
okay.
regular expression is the one which we are saying what are the contents which we have to accept or reject.
Double slash. Complement of
Double slash. Complement of /n star. So we could write something like this, double quotes that is // because the single line comment will be always starting with //. So this is the one which we where we start off with. So // then not of /n, and we can have any number of characters other than enter key. Rest all anything can be taken up. So star closure. Okay. After having this single line comment, at the end we will be having an enter key pressed, right? So that's the reason we had the last line, the last content to be as /n. That is like you accept everything till you press an enter key. So till you press enter key, whatever comes, that will be considered to be as your single line comment. So you can tag till that point of time whatever contents you come across, that you can tag it to be as single line comment. Okay.
Ma'am, some places we also have a sequence for tab, right? Like instead of giving one space, maybe we gave a tab. So that will all be included in that complement itself, right? Like except for
Yes.
/n. Okay.
Except for /n, yeah.
Okay.
Everything will be taken. Tab, single space, everything would be taken. Okay. So the same thing. Now, if you are asked to write for multi-line comments, regular expression for recognizing multi-line comments. Multi-line comment we will take for C programming itself. If you have multi-line comment, it would have been started with a single slash followed by a star. We can have any number of statements, whatever contents we have, whatever we want, we can have it. It will end with a star followed by a slash. Can you mute yourself? Okay. So now if you are asked to write for multi-line comment, how we can write? Where we have to start with a slash followed by a star, and we can have any number of contents, any characters, any special characters, space, tab, anything, and it will end with star followed by a slash.
Ma'am, /* complement of star // star.
Star slash
Okay.
Instead of slash and we'll place that star slash, ma'am. So it will be done.
Okay, so you mean to say that it will be written, regular expression would be written like this, slash star. I will just put a bracket open, complement of star slash, like this, and a closure.
Yeah, closure
Property
Yes, ma'am.
star
and star slash.
and star slash. Okay. If you go for this one, not of should be applied for both. So you should have another bracket. Right? This is how you are expecting. So slash star not of star slash, everything comes under a star closure, and which will be ending with star slash. Okay, if you write it in this way, if I want to comment a statement something like this, I want to comment a statement, say A divided by B equals some reminder, some R, something I want to state. I will give something like this. What happens? Will it accept? If my multi-line comment inside that if I have a statement something like this, will it accept?
Yes, ma'am. It will accept.
Why it should accept? Slash is there, like a division symbol, which you are saying
Because
not.
in regular expression we didn't have any identifiers between.
Ma'am, star should be followed by slash, no, ma'am, in the according to the regular expression.
Star should be followed by
Slash.
slash.
That should be negated, not the whole thing. Ma'am.
But when we are reading, we take character by character, right?
But only star followed by
Complement.
slash will totally negated, no, ma'am. So it will be accepting star or slash alone.
So that is the point. Complement, when you are applying, it will be applied onto a single, that is not of whatever, not of a single character. That is like not of slash n. If you are saying that slash n is considered to be as a single character.
Yes, ma'am. That is why slash or star alone will be accepted, no, ma'am.
Slash or star. So if you write
Alone,
something
alone.
like this, alone, alone, if you say alone, no, right? This will not. This will be like if a star slash star. If you are giving a single star, not of star. Not of this will be ignoring that slash. Whenever you come across this slash, it will be ignoring. First of all, we can't write this in this way. If you are writing it not complement operator can be applied onto a single occurrence of a single character. Say if you are having A to Z anything, then we will be having not of A to Z. Any one character between A to Z. Are you getting my point? Complement of C we are saying. That C is nothing but it's a character. So when you are writing star this way you can't write.
Ma'am, so it's like we can't write in this form. Star of AB, like complement of AB, we can't write it.
Complement of AB you can't write it. If you are writing complement of AB, that is complement of AB if you are writing it, complement will be applied only for A, not for B.
Can we write it as complement of A followed by complement of B? Is that valid? Like,
yes.
Then this one can be written as complement of star followed by complement of slash, the whole thing star, closure.
Complement of star
Right.
followed by complement of
Slash.
That
whole part star closure.
whole thing star closure. Then also, right?
Ma'am, in that case, single line commands also should not accept that division symbol and end symbol, no ma'am.
No, that slash n is a special character, right? Escape sequence.
Yes, ma'am. So if I write like single comment A divided by B, then that slash, or if I use this slash over
That's
there.
what I'm saying. It's a special character, special case. Slash n is a single character. Slash t is a single character.
Oh, okay, ma'am.
It's a special case. Slash n, it's like a new line character, so it's considered to be as a single character. It's not taking slash as a separate one, n as a separate one. It is not going to consider like that. Similarly for slash t also, slash and t both are considered to be as a single character for tab. Okay, so as you said, as Vishnu was telling, slash star, that is complement of star, then followed by complement of slash, entire thing to be as a star, right? That is the star closure.
Yes, ma'am.
Then complement of, then there also
complement of slash star also will be accepted.
Slash will be rejected. Slash star. If you come across slash followed by star, that also will be rejected. Right?
Ma'am, slash star won't come, no, ma'am. I mean, it won't be rejected, ma'am, in that case.
Why not? Because it's a star closure, right?
Ma'am, in that case, like, we won't get slash star, no, ma'am. We'll get star slash only. It's followed by, no, ma'am. So
Star slash. One more point. Can we write something like this? Not of star, not of slash. Entire thing to be star closure.
Ma'am, actually
Yes,
the
ma'am,
star closure is both the symbols are same, no ma'am. We have to put an escape character or something like that because compiler won't be understanding, I guess, because it can confuse the star closure with the star we are indicating.
No. That will be a different one because after parenthesis, if you come across the star, that will be taken to be as the star closure. That is the nil closure, whatever you are saying, right? Nil closure.
Ma'am, like in the first wala part, first normal forward slash and then star you put, no ma'am. The compiler can take it as the forward slash can occur any number of times. It need not take the it need not take the character star. It can take the star closure.
Can you repeat once again?
Normally, ma'am, the asterisk symbol we are using for the star closure, no, ma'am, even in the single line comments and things. In the multi-line comment, we are indicating like star means star character. Like in the multi-line character, it occurs the star character. But the compiler, suppose we are just giving it as / and star. Normally, the compiler, instead of taking it as / and star, it will take the star closure of slash, no, ma'am.
No. Wherever you see, whenever we are writing regular expression, that star, you will be having a parenthesis. Even either a round parenthesis or a rectangle brackets would have been there. Whenever you are writing regular expressions.
The A star, B star also, I guess we wrote, ma'am, without using parenthesis. Kind of, I remember.
A star.
If we don't
B
put
star.
parenthesis, it means only one character, just the preceding character will be taken into consideration.
Okay, so
Ma'am, that I was parallelly trying in the regex online wala compiler, ma'am, regex that part. So that time it was like it is not accepted. You have to put an escape character. So there only I was trying. For every star, if like this star, if you are putting this, have to put a escape character also to take into consideration. Like it has to escape the normal meaning like star closure, and it has to considered as character star.
Okay. So no. It will take /star. It will take. You don't have to give any explicit notations for it. /star will be taken. I understood your point. You are saying that slash will be applying for the star closure. That is what you are saying, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, it will be taken because when you are writing for a comment, when you are writing your regular expressions, each character by character will be taken from your that is like when you are giving your input. In your input from your regular expressions, it will try to match which one which regular expression is getting matched up. So if you give slash and star, so the first character is slash, so it will be accepting that particular regular expression. Then followed by star, the next character, whatever you are taking, that will be matched with which regular expression. So star you are having, so this one will be taken up. So there won't be any confusion. So you don't have to give any other notation for it. That's what I remember. In Lex, we didn't give any other notation. We gave directly slash and star. So that won't happen. We can directly give that. That is what I remember. I'll once again check anyways. But my point for this multi-line comment is, whenever you are using your complement statement, we can have a single character only given. And that is one point. And the second point is, we can't have multiple complement statements used. As Vishnu said, we can go with we can go with combinations. That is like concatenation concept. You said, right? That is not of star, not of slash. Entire thing to be star. So we can't go with concatenation also with the not the complement character. That is the complement operator. So these are the points which you have to remember when you go with this whenever you are using this complement operator. Is it clear? Hello? Are you getting my point? So whenever you are using your complement operator, you should be very careful. This complement operator is applied only onto a character. There are special cases like slash and slash t. Those are special escape sequences we say, and that is considered that slash n, that both the things together we consider it to be as a single character, and that is applied when you are pressing your tab or when you are pressing your enter key. Okay, so enter key and your tab is represented to be a /n and /t. That is considered to be as a single character, not as a two separate characters. That is the first point. And the second point is the complement operator cannot, when you're writing a single regular expression, you can have a single complement operator so that there won't be any confusions. It will not, they won't have any, otherwise the regular expressions, whatever you are writing, it will get complicated. And even it may not accept also. Okay, so you can have a single complement operator used in your regular expression, and you can't go with union operation, sorry, concatenation operation. That is like not of star, not of slash cannot be given. Okay. You can go with union, that is alternation you can use, or part, that is not of star or not of slash, that you can do it, but not with concatenation. Hope it is clear. Hello.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, so how to represent this one, ma'am?
So this is little tricky and this is little complicated. So that is the reason why we have brought out this multi-line comment, how you have to use it. So now if you are saying that in your multi-line comment, as a first example, if you are considering the multi-line comment in which I am assuming that I am not going to have any statements with star. Okay, my first assumption, according to my first assumption, I'll write first and then I will go with the second one. Okay, so according to my first assumption, I'm saying that in my multi-line statement, I will never use a star. I will never come across a star. So now how you can write your multi-line statement, regular expression for multi-line comment. Now you can try, right? Slash star, not of star. Is that possible? You can write slash star, not of star. Entire thing which takes to be as a star closure. Followed by slash, sorry, star, slash. Can this be written? This I have written saying that my assumption is in my comment, that is in my multi-line statement comment, I am not going to have any star getting used. Keeping this assumption, I have written something like this. Will this be fine? So the point is, in my statement, I cannot use anywhere star. So now according to this multi-line statement, I can go with a divided by b, that will be accepted. Other than the star, that is multiplication operator, rest all I can represent. Agree? Yes or no? Guys, just get back.
Yes, ma'am, but is there any solution where we can use A multiplied B also?
Yes. Now, so if you agree for this part, so that means I can say that this is one of my option. So assuming that in my comment statement, I am not going to use a star. I will never come across any star. Then I can have this can be considered to be as my multi-line statement. Okay. According to this is what I have written. Okay. Similarly, if you want to have at least one or more, say for example, in your by using this multi-line statement, you want to represent, you are going to say that this is my pattern, what I'm going to display. Some examples we give, right? So you are going to display this pattern where you are displaying star based on your n value. So this is what you are going to have in your comment statement. Say you are displaying star for n number of times. So in n rows and n columns. So that means you are going to have these many number of stars. And this comes in your this is there in your comment statement. So this is how it is going to end. Okay. So now if you want to accept one or more number of stars, but the point is it should not be followed by a slash. Okay. This can be one of my case. This is one of my case. Okay. Now my second case, what I can say is, I can say that I can have a star. In my comment statement, I can have as many number of stars I want, I can have it. But it should not be followed by a slash. Can I write for that? Can I write slash? That is, you will have a comment statement where we have slash star, and I can say I can have any number of stars. So I can have star closure, I can have there should be some separators, right? So I'll use this to be as multiplication operator. This is my star closure. So star. It should not be followed by slash. So not of slash. Can I have something like this? I can have any number of star, but it should never be followed by a slash. Can I have? Can I have consider this to be as my second case? Now can I combine these two things? So when I combine these two things, I can use the alternation, that is OR operator. So union operator I can use. Either I can have the first case or my second case. So keeping that, I have written the second one. By keeping this, I have written this point. So where I have combined both the cases. So not of star, which was my first case. Second case, I'm saying at least one or more number of stars. Okay, there was a small correction. I had written star closure in the before part. It should not be star, it should be plus. So positive closure, at least one star I can accept. So one star or more number of stars, but it should not be followed by a slash. It should not be followed by a slash. And everything I have put under the star closure. Are you guys getting? This is little tricky to understand. So here there are multiple cases which you have to understand. First one is, first point what you have to understand with respect to the complement is applied onto a single character. Second thing is you can't go with the concatenation, that is not many number of complement operators cannot be used in a single by using this concatenation point. You can't have many complement operations. Okay, so these are the 2 points which you have to remember. And keeping that, when you are writing for this multi-line comment, so according to our first assumption, what was our first assumption was, we said we are not going to use any star operator in our comment statement. So keeping that, we can easily write that is not of star. By using complement of star, we can directly have the statement written. Okay, that is easy. But my second assumption was I can have at least one or more number of star closure, that is star operator getting used, so that I can display by using the star. I can display any patterns, or I can have A multiplied by B, that one, at least one operator I can use, multiplication operator I can use. But my point is, this star, whenever I am using this star, it should not be followed by a slash. Whenever it is getting followed by slash, that means it is an end of my comment statement. So don't accept it. So don't accept a star getting followed by a slash. So it will stop accepting the contents at that point of time. So when you come out, you can find a star and you will find a slash at the end. So that is the reason why I have mentioned this star and a slash at the end. It will be like a closing point. So everything put together under the star closure. Is it clear? Are you all lost?
No, ma'am. It's clear, like whatever you explained.
No, I understand it is little tricky to understand, but
Ma'am,
yes, Vishnu.
ma'am, in case we have like star slash, what will happen? The For the slash star, then star slash, and
You are
then
starting with slash star,
yeah,
and
that's
you
the
have, according to the comment, you have star slash, right? This is what your
I have
statement
two
is.
star slashes. I have two star slashes in the comment. This is in
I
the
have
comment.
written. Is it correct?
Yes,
You have
ma'am.
one more.
Uh,
Yes.
yes.
Okay. So first, what happens? We have a slash star. So it starts reading. So slash star will be taken up. Then you are having one star occurring. So this will not be accepted. It will come to the OR part. So at least one star. So this one star it accepts, but it had been followed by a slash. So what happens? It will stop taking the contents. It will you're right now at this point star. So star would have already taken up and slash. So slash would come. So it will stop. And remaining things, it will not be recognized. So till here, it will tag this to be as, this portion will be tagged to be as multi-line comment. I'm just writing in short MC. So this will not be recognized because according to the regular expression, we don't have any regular expression with which starts with star and slash. So this will not be recognized.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Is it clear right now?
Yes.
Because we have only a single regular expression what we have written for multi-line comment. So slash star. Okay. If this is clear, can you try drawing the DFA for this? That is also little tricky. If this regular expression, by seeing this, keeping this regular expression, can you try drawing the DFA for this? At the beginning, slash and star, each are single characters. I'm expecting all of you are at least trying. So how we can draw? I'll just erase all these. So from the beginning state, so this is as my starting state, I'm not numbering it. So I'm just say 0. So first I'll come across a slash. I'll move to a second state, numbered to be as 1. Next I will come across a star, right? Star. I'll reach to second state, 2. From here, what happens? What happens?
Now we can say that if star is encountered, it can go to trap state, and remaining all states can be reaching to final state. Because we are complementing the star asterisk.
Okay, if you come across a star, what will happen? Trap state.
We'll go to trap state.
We will go to trap state. Okay. Then remaining things. Which one will be the final state then?
Remaining all other, like we have to keep other arrow mark from 2 to the final state, ma'am. But we have to do alteration also.
With respect to what transition we will reach to a final state?
Ma'am, from the slash and star, if you again put a slash, star and slash, then the last slash should be the final state, ma'am. From the third one, star is there, no, ma'am. From that part, if you take out another characters like star or something, then that will be a trash. Like, oh, trash only. In between we can put any characters, no ma'am. There will be self loop after the mm, on the second state, except for the star, I meant.
Okay, so X in the second state we will have a self loop, not of say star. Is this the one? What you're saying?
Yes, ma'am. And if we encounter a star, proceed, and then encounter a forward slash, proceed and make it a final state. And if in the middle wala star is there, na ma'am.
So
In
if
that
I have a slash, I'll proceed. I'll make this to be as a final state. That's what you are saying.
No, ma'am. I actually meant the sequence will be forward slash star star forward slash, and in between the second state is there, no, ma'am. For there it will be a self loop. Instead of giving the trash directly for a single star occurrence and then multiple loop, we can have like if one star is there, proceed. If you encounter more than one stars, then make it a trap kind of state. I will draw properly, ma'am, and then probably get that.
Others?
Ma'am, we can draw a NFA and convert it to DFA, ma'am. That would be easy.
That is what usually happens in scanners. Just let me know if time has reached. Yeah, it's 10:14. Um, uh, it's already 10:14. I think I'll tell the answer and I'll wind up. Others can try. If you're having any other option also, you can try. So how we can draw? So the first two states are correct. So slash and star, we will start. And whenever we come across any number of okay, from second state, not of star, which will be a self loop. If you come across any single star, you will be reaching to a third state. And if you want any number of stars, we can be here in the self loop. And always remember our multi-line statement, one star followed by a slash. This is what our DFA will be. That is our DFA, what we are having is slash star. And in the second state, other than star, any content, whatever you come across, you will be in the self loop. And if you come across at least one star, reach to third state. And from here, if it is getting followed by a slash, then we can say that it is end of our multi-line statement. We can accept it. And similarly, if you are having any in between, if you come across multiple stars, then also you will be there in the third state itself. From here, one more thing which we have to remember, which we have to do is from third state, if you come across, say for example, A multiplied by B. So one multiplication, that is one star we have come across. So we would be reaching to the third state. After that, if we come across any other characters or any other symbols, then what we have to do? We have to go back to our second state. So we can say not of star, right? So not of star. Similarly, so if it is not of star, then we can go back to our second state and accept any number of contents. And at the end, if you come across a single star followed by a slash, then you can accept it. Agree? So keeping that, this is what I have drawn. This has been there. Okay, I forgot about the slash. Other than not of star or not of slash, if any other character come across, then we can reach to the second state. The slash I forgot when I was telling the last point. So first you can just draw the DFA saying that what are the characters which we have to accept. So it is like it will always start with a slash, then followed by a star. In between any number of not of star, any characters whichever you come across, it will be accepted. At the end, we will have a star followed by a slash which should be ended with. So this S4 will be our final state. Now in between, if you are having any number of stars, if you come across, then you can have a self loop at the third state itself.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, in S2, let's say we have a multi-line command where there is no star at all. Like A star B isn't there. So when we reach S2 state, we'll be reaching the S3 state only if we have a star, no ma'am.
Okay. You just give me one example for multi-line state comment. This is how it starts. A, B, C, right? Multi-line comment, right? It should end with star slash. This is what we say multi-line comment, right?
Oh, okay.
So first we are having slash. So we will be reaching to first state. Then followed by star. So we will reach to second state. Now A. So we will be here. Now again B. We will still be here. Now C. We will still be in S2 state.
Yes,
now it should end with a star. So we will reach to S3. Now there will be a slash. So we reach to S4. So it is a final state. So we can say that we can tag it to be as multi-line comment. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Clear? And always remember this, I didn't mention the trap. Sorry, no, I will not say it to be a trap. I didn't mention the error state. You will be having the error state mentioned from all the states. That is, if you come across other than slash, if you come across any other characters, not of slash, if any other character, if you come across from S not state. Similarly, other than not of star, if you come across any other character, and then not of star, we have there is no other content, star, not of this, then this, then here. From here also any other any character, if you come across, you will be reaching to an error state. We can mention it to be as SE. I will no more say it to be as a trap. I will say it to be as an error state. Okay. So this multi-line comment is a little tricky one. So that's the reason why I took this entire class. Any doubt? Understood?
Ma'am, instead of ABC, if we have slash star at the comment.
Okay. You give me one example. Slash star.
Slash star.
Slash star.
Star slash.
Star slash. Okay, let's trace. So first we are starting with our first character is slash, right? I'll just erase everything. Students, I'm done with the class. If you want to leave, you can leave. So first from S0 state, first we have come across the slash. So we reach to S1 state. From S1 state, we come across star. We reach to S2 state. Then it is slash. So slash means it is not of star. So we will be here, right? After that, we come across a star. So we reach to S3 state. After that, one more star. We will be here. After that, a slash. So we reach to final state. So it will be considered to be as a comment. multi-line comment.
But won't be confusing whether it should start from cluster or this cluster for the compiler?
I didn't get you.
But it is confusing.
Okay,
only,
okay.
no?
Your point
That's-
is whether this is the starting of the comment statement or this is the starting of the comment statement.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
See, whenever there won't be any confusion because the starting point wherever you come across a slash followed by a star, that thing is considered to be as a starting of your multi-line comment statement. Okay, so
Okay.
the first one itself will be considered to be as the starting one. Okay. Ending also you have a star slash. So wherever you come across the first star slash, wherever you come across, this will be considered to be as the closing of your multi-line comment. Say for example, similar example, if you give slash star, say one more slash star we have given, star slash, one more star slash if I give, for example. For the same example, whatever you have given, I have ended with one more slash star. So now what happens? So I have reached S4. From S4, if I come across any star, so what happens? It will be taken to an error state, right? So SE. That is nothing but your trap state. So what happens? So
multi-line
star
comment within the multi-line comment is there.
Multi-line comment. So that means first wherever at least one final state wherever it comes across, so this much will be accepted. The remaining things which was at least one final state also, it wherever it hasn't come across, then from here it will be it will not be recognized. At least one final that we will take up in the next when we discuss about the algorithm part, the scanners algorithm part. At that point we will be discussing this point. At least one final state whichever you come across, till that it will be tagged, remaining things will not be tagged. For remaining things it will be generating an error statement saying that this there is no token or there is no tag identified for this portion. For this portion it will be recognizing it to
But
be as a
it is
multi-line
valid
comment.
multi-line comment within the multi-line comment. No, this one. What you mentioned.
But multi-line comment, multiple multi-line comments, it will not accept, right?
Okay.
Why? Because this, even though you are saying it is a multi-line comment, this will not be considered to be as another starting point.
Okay.
Are you
Okay.
understanding? This
Okay.
is not taken as a comment itself. Starting of comment, that is not recognized at all.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Got it now. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the point what I said last, that will be taken up again anyways in the algorithm when we take up the scanners. There are 3 to 4 algorithms. That time we will once again take up this example. Hope this multi-line comment is clear. And along with this, the point what I wanted to cover is with respect to the complement portion. So thank you, students.